In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter on Salesforce Dashboard. By the end, you'll know how to open a dashboard, enter edit mode, add and label filters, choose operators and values, and understand what apply and add actually do inside the editor. Start on the Salesforce homepage. From here, open the App Launcher, which is the grid icon in the top left. This is your quick way to move around Salesforce apps and items without hunting through tabs. In the App Launcher, go to Dashboards. This takes you to the Dashboards list, where you can pick the one you want to work with. Open the Service KPIs dashboard. Once it loads, switch into Edit mode by clicking Edit in the top right. Editing lets you add, modify, or remove dashboard-level filters that control which records drive the charts and metrics your users see. Now we'll add the first filter. Click Add Filter. A panel appears where you'll choose a field to filter by. Select Account Owner. This kind of field is great when you want to narrow results by responsibility or territory. Next, set the display name. This is the user-friendly label your audience will see in the dashboard filter bar, so make it clear and concise. Something like account owner is perfectly fine. Add a filter value. Open the operator menu and choose equals. Equals is ideal when you need an exact match. In the value box, type the specific owner you want to filter for. Keep in mind that the filter will only impact components that share compatible data sources. If a component doesn't update, it may not use the same underlying dataset. If you want, click back into the display name to double-check or refine the label so it's intuitive for your viewers. Click Apply to preview how this filter affects the dashboard in the editor. Apply updates the working view so you can confirm you're getting the results you expect. When it looks right, click Add. Add finalizes the filter and places it in the dashboard's filter bar so it's ready for your users. Let's add a second filter to show how multiple filters can work together. Click Add Filter again. This time, choose Case Comment Created By. Filters on creator fields help you focus on specific contributor activity, which is useful for service and support dashboards. Click Add Filter Value to define how this filter should behave. In the Value field, enter the user or criteria you want to include, then set the display text. The display text is what your audience will see when they interact with the filter, so use wording that clearly communicates the intent of the selection. Click Apply to preview the effect of this second filter alongside the first one. Stacking filters narrows results further. Both filters must be satisfied for records to appear in your dashboard components. If you notice a component not responding, it may not be connected to the same report type or fields as your filters, which is expected behavior. To wrap up this editing session, click Cancel. Cancel exits without saving the current state beyond what you've added previously, which is helpful when you're experimenting or demonstrating without committing changes. It's a safe way to back out if you're just practicing. A few closing tips as you work with dashboard filters. Choose fields that exist across the reports feeding your components to ensure consistent results. Give display names that are short and clear so users immediately understand how to use them. And remember that Apply is for previewing within the editor, while Add confirms the filter for the dashboard. With these steps and considerations, you can confidently tailor dashboards so each viewer gets exactly the slice of data they need.